Hello YouTube, once again, this is Tech Reviews 135 with another review over an amazing product. This is the Logitech G105, it says right up there, the G105 gaming keyboard. Now I just got this keyboard a couple weeks ago and I wasn't going to do a review over it right away. I wanted to see how I'd like the keyboard, and I really do like it. The one thing I would like to mention though was the spacebar took a little getting used to. Required your thumb to be more in the center rather than off to the side. That wasn't a big problem. So, let's go over some features of the keyboard. So, up here, you've got that little sun-looking button. Sun icon on the button. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, it has 3 adjustable LED backlighting settings. By the way, the backlight is blue. Has off, which is what it is now. You have medium brightness, and you have bright. That's as bright as it can go. I like to keep it on the brightest. It's personal preference. Moving on, up at the top right here, you've got your caps lock, scroll lock, and your number lock. They all do work, as you can tell. Great. Alright, now I've got these. I'm not really sure what these are for. It just makes the keyboard look cool. Anyway, moving across the top here, well, I started here, went there, and now I'm going to go here. This nifty little button, say you're in a game, you're gaming, you're getting ready to headshot someone, you're going to win the match, and you accidentally press the Windows key. Oh no, you didn't get the headshot, you ended up dying, you lost the match. Bummer. This nifty little button disables your Windows key in the game. So now when you hit that Windows key, nothing happens. So I really do like that button. I use that a lot. Moving along, we have 3 recordable macros for the keyboard. You also have the macro record button. You press that. Any macro key you have selected, it will record on. Along the side here, you have 6 programmable G keys. A lot of games default to the first 6 for the F1 to F6 keys. So generally, whatever F1, F2, F3, F4, so on and so forth, that'll be what these G keys are defaulted to. You can change those in the Logitech software, which I'm going to get to in a minute. As you can see, a big feature right here, the W, A, S, and D keys are silver. Really stands out there. And the arrow keys also happen to be silver. The spacebar does not have a backlight on it, obviously. It's only going to say spacebar. That'd be pretty interesting. But right here, kind of different from some keyboards. Most keyboards kind of stop right about where this is here. Just go straight across. This one kind of comes out so you can rest your thumb on it a little bit and makes it a little more comfortable for you. Now let's zoom in on this. Pull up the box here. Just scoot that back. Alright, so it's a nice front of the box. It's very nice textured paint. I like it. So the G105 Logitech gaming keyboard. On the side here, you've got what's in the box. You get a keyboard, user documentation, and a 3-year limited hardware warranty. The camera will focus. That would be a first. You may ask, what do I need for this keyboard? Well, it says right there. Windows 8, Windows 7, or Windows Vista. An available high-speed USB 2.0 port, 70 megabytes of available hard disk space, and an internet connection for optional software download. So the software I'll get to in a second is runs just behind everything, doesn't take up barely anything, but this keyboard does function better with the software. So this is the back here, and as I mentioned, you have the 6 programmable G keys, 3 macros per key, 18 functions in all, recordable on the fly. You have the adjustable LED backlighting, all LED strips just underneath the keys. You have up to a 5-key rollover, so basically just press any 5 keys at once. Just do it for fun, and you won't get any ghosting or interference. And you have some media controls, game desktop mode, and gaming grade durability. And let me get to the media controls. On the keyboard itself, which are located from F6 to F12 off to the side if you can barely see them. You know, and that was another complaint I had about the keyboard, is, so you can see them now. You just hold down FN, press any one of the media controls you want. I'll do that function. So, this has been the Logitech G105 gaming keyboard. If you liked this video, like it. If you didn't like it, dislike it. If you'd like to see more videos like it, click the subscribe button. You'll be surprised. And as always, thanks for watching.